Hi, I'm Julia. I will talk to you now about the automations. So I have here my clients. I can see the features we have in Reportei, so reports, dashboard, timeline, and automations. I will just create my first automation now and explain everything to you. So first of all, I need to set up the frequency I want. So I can select here, for example, monthly, always in the first Monday, start at the end of the night. So start of the day. So in the beginning of the day at 9 a.m., I want this report to be sent and generated. So I would just select here. I can just automation title here, monthly, okay, and move forward. The next step is the templates. So I will select the classic template of Reportei. If you have your template saved already, you can just select here, continue. The next step is the period. So I will select the last month previous because I'm setting up a monthly report. So this makes sense. Integrations, I will see here all integrations I have in this client. I can just select some integrations. So I can just Facebook and Instagram report. I can set up a subtitle if I want and move forward. And the last step is the notifications type. So how do I want to be notified about this report? So I have this option here that it's in app. So I will be notification here. I can see my notifications here. I have the options email. So you can insert here your email and you will be notified by email. And the last option is a client email. So you can just insert here your client email and you can select subject. You can write here a message and reply to, if your customer reply that email, you will be able to respond him with this email that you will insert here. In this case, I will select the option in-app and finish and create my automation. After you create your automation, you need to turn the automation on. So you can see here the name I gave, the frequency, the period, the integrations I selected, and the last execution. I select the first Monday. So I will just turn on this automation, and the first Monday of the month, I will be able to see my notification and see the report that was generated automatically. So I can run the automation now to see how it will be this report. So I will just run the automation here, go back to my client and see here the report that was just generated automatically. So I can open this report and you will see that it's the same report as manually. You can just see the report here. If you go to see all the reports, you can check here the difference of the creation. So you'll be created by Support Reportei, that's my account. And here you can see automatically generated on the data. So that's the way you can use the automation. I hope this help you on your daily work. I hope you like this video. If you have any other questions, you can just send us a message and talk to our support team. Bye.